First released in 2009, the X1 was based on the 3 Series and featured a rear-wheel drive layout as standard. Initially, it was positioned as the smallest SUV in BMW's lineup, aiming at a wider range of customers thanks to its smaller size, increased efficiency, and low price due to the all-wheel drive system. X1's new powertrains include a turbocharged 3-cylinder, 4-cylinder petrol, inline 3 diesel, inline 4 diesel mild hybrid, petrol plug-in hybrid, and an electric variant. This option is not available in the US or Canada. Base models of the BMW Roman 9.3, for example, are front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive is optional. BMW's redesigned X1 has an updated interior similar to that of the iX, i4, and 2023 3 Series, which includes a 10.25 inches digital gauge cluster and a 10.7 inches center display. BMW reports that the X1 has grown in size, boasting a 53mm increase in length compared to its previous model, a width increase of 24mm and a height increase of 44mm. The X1's wheelbase has also grown, now measuring 22mm longer. X1's front end has been designed to give it a much greater sense of presence, says BMW, and is complemented by LED headlamps. The LED headlamps are available with pulsating turn signals, matrices, and variable light throw options. LED tail lenses complete the package. BMW offers an M Sport package that includes adaptive suspension, which is a new feature for the X1, along with a lower ride height and special interior and exterior design elements. The X1 features a more contemporary interior design, including a toggle switch for gear shifting, a floating center console, a fully digital dashboard, and stylish accents like textured speaker grills. Dual-zone automatic climate control, ambient lighting, and a power liftgate come standard on all models. A panoramic sunroof is available as part of the convenience package, and heated front seats and a heated steering wheel can be added as separate options. The price for BMW X1 starts from $40,000.